Hello everyone, this is the Mining Geologist and I'm back again here on YouTube with a really quick video tutorial, but it is going to be really informative for some of you since this tutorial was based on some of your questions on YouTube or on my page on Facebook. So a lot of people also who got one of my training online courses like the 3D geological modeling course or the pit design or mine design or waste dam design courses. I've been using a topography, and I always say that I got that topography online and I thought that this piece of knowledge was something that most of you actually know, but it looks like it was not the case. A lot of people have been asking the question, how can I get the topography that is I know a spot on Earth, whatever is your country, whether you are from Indonesia, Chile, Peru, United States or Canada, whatever, you can get a topography for the spot that you want. And there's an easy way to do that. Of course, we're not going to get that high resolution topography that it's like you can get like details to like 1 meter feature, but that's not the case. We're talking about for to get you started, at least it's going to be a large scale areas topography in which you will need like 30 meter, every 30 meter you need a contour. So if that's the case, this is for you. And generally a lot of people who are working, especially in the industry, mining industry, these small firms, for example, they get a client and this client thinks that he got something like potential, ore deposit or whatever, and they want to start doing a geological model or a pit design or whatever, or a quarry maybe, but they don't have, a lot of money to invest into like, a drone survey or something like that. So they request from you to get that topography or to have a workaround. So today I'm going to show you how to do that exactly using some free resources, and you can extract the topography from any region in the world that you want and use it to whatever project that you're working on. So without further ado, let's go and dive into it. So the first thing, you need QGIS. It's a free software. It's a GIS software like the name says, QGIS, Quantum GIS. And I will show you how you can find some some basic tutorial to get started with the QGIS on my YouTube channel. I've also created lately a course. It's going to be like a 101 course that covers the whole process of using QGIS from a beginner to like a master in QGIS. When it's ready, I'm going to put in the link in the description, so make sure to check that out. And so the first thing you need is QGIS, like I said, and you need to go to this website, which is part of the USGS.gov, which is the United States Geological Survey. That's their official website. And what we need to do is, as you can see, that we have the whole map of the whole Earth in here. So whatever place that we want, we can choose any region here and get the topography of that. So let's go to the United States, for example, in Colorado here. And what we need to do is so if you want to move, you click and drag to move it around. But if you want to digitize an area in here that you're interested in, you are going to just click and then go and click here, and click here. So we've created a polygon, so you can go and adjust this if you want. So we're telling the website that we are actually interested in data sets that are available in this area. So we are now in the search criteria. So these are our search criteria. So you can go and see here all of the different, the cloud cover or whatever. So because we're not actually going to search for some, Landsat, for example, data sets in which we care about the cloud cover and stuff, things like that. If you're interested in, remote sensing tutorials, for example, make sure to leave that in the comments below, and make sure to create a quick tip, video, or like cover it in a full course. So we are interested in this area. So that's the search criteria. The second thing, we go to the data set. The data set, there are actually two data sets that can or allow us to create the contours, and they are called DEM, which means a digital elevation model. So there are the SRTM, which is the Shuttle Radar Topography mission. You can go to Wikipedia and read about this mission here and what is the purpose of this mission. And in a conclusion, they've created some sort of a topography for the whole globe that it is available for free. So if we type in, and the second one is ASTAR data, but let's focus on the SRTM for the moment. Let's type in SRTM and choose this first one. And as you can see, if you knew exactly where it is located, it's under digital elevation, and you can go and pick from SRTM this one, or you can just type it in the search bar and get that one. And then what we need to do is if we have any additional criteria, so we don't have any additional criteria, we move into the results, and you will see that we have all of these data sets that falls into this area. So if we want to see, for example, where is this one located exactly, you can click on this icon in here and wait a little bit, and you can see that there's just a small section here. And if we move and take a look at this one, and as you can see, we have this one. Let's choose another one. So what the website does is that it brings all the data that falls in this polygon. So for example, you might digitize this one, but in the end you're just interested in this part in here. So you are going to locate that data set that you need, and then all you have to do is to click on this button here to download it. But in order to download it, you need to log in. So it is just an easy process to create an account in here. I'm going to show you what are the results and how you can use them. But it is easy to create an account, and all you have to do is to log in order to download that data. So I've downloaded a DEM from this website, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So this is the DEM that I just downloaded. All you have to do is, if you don't want to go through the process of importing something, QGIS is easy to use. So all you have to do is to drag this and drop it into the software, and it's going to be loaded directly where it is. And the good news about this one is that it is georeferenced, so this one falls exactly where it should be, and the coordinate system for that is going to be the WGS 84, so that's the world coordinate system. So if you're interested into, like, maybe your client have like some drill holes in a different coordinate system, if you're interested in how to convert this one to another coordinate system, let me know in the comments below. Also, this it is already covered in our QGIS training. I'll leave the links below if you're interested into an in-depth training using this software. So now all you have to do is to go to raster, and then extraction. We are going to extract something from this raster, so we choose then contours. Okay, you can see that we specify which layer we will use for this, and here we have only one band. So as you can see that we have only gray color in here, so we don't have three bands like for RGB. And here we specify the intervals between the different contours. In our case it's 10, so let's make that 30, because we know that the pixel have 30 by 30 meters, so 10 is going to be basically it's going to be interpolation. And here the attribute, in the attribute table there will be a table or a column named eleve, in which we have the different elevations. And then what we can do is to run this. And that was quick. And now we have the contours for that region. Then you can go and export, save feature as, and you can export it as DXF, CSV shapefile or whatever you want. I hope this tutorial was really informative for you, and make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and let me know in the comments below what other things you want to learn about this software or other packages.